Imagine an animal that can rotate its head 180 degrees, or a frog, so transparent you can literally see its heart beating. These are characters from cartoons. They're real-life creatures. And by the end of this video, you'll be a fan of nature, guaranteed. Number 1. Glass frog, nature's transparent wonder. This frog is so transparent. You can see its beating heart and internal organs. Found in the rainforests of Central and South America. It's a master of camouflage. When it sits on a green leaf, it practically disappears. What's even more amazing, the male glass frog guards the eggs like a dedicated parent. Yes, a frog dad protecting babies. Number 2, Axolotl, the animal that never grows up. This cute little salamander never transforms into an adult. It stays in its baby form for its entire life. But don't let its size fool you. It can regrow its limbs, spinal cord, and even its heart. And with that little smile, it honestly looks like a baby alien waving hello. Number 3, Pangolin, the armored mammal. The pangolin is the only mammal fully covered in hard scales, made of keratin, just like our nails. When threatened, it curls into a tight ball, making it almost impossible to hurt. It also has a super long tongue, up to 40 centimeters, to catch ants and termites. Unfortunately, it's the most illegally trafficked mammal in the world, all for useless myths and traditional medicine. Sad but true. Number 4, the lemur with a creepy finger. This lemur from Madagascar has a long, bony middle finger. It's not just weird looking, it's useful. It taps on tree trunks to find insects inside, then digs them out using that creepy finger, like a real-life bug detector. Locals believe it brings bad luck, which leads to many being killed. But in reality, it's one of the rarest and most fascinating primates alive. 5. Saiga antelope, the alien-nosed animal. With a nose that looks like a vacuum cleaner, the saiga antelope is truly bizarre. But that funny-looking nose, it filters out dust in summer and warms up cold air in winter. Native to Central Asia, it's a perfect desert survivor. Sadly, it's now endangered due to habitat loss and poaching. Number 6. Dumbo octopus, the flying elephant of the sea. This deep-sea octopus is named after Disney's Dumbo because of the ear-like fins on its head. It lives over 13,000 feet below the ocean surface, where sunlight doesn't even reach. It glides gracefully through the water, almost like it's dancing in slow motion. Many people say it's the cutest octopus on the planet, and honestly, they're not wrong. Number 7. Leaf-tailed gecko, the ultimate camouflage expert. Found in Madagascar, this gecko looks exactly like a dead leaf. Not just the shape, it mimics the color, the veins, the torn edges, everything. During the day, it stays completely still to avoid predators. At night, it becomes the hunter. If you're in the jungle, it could be right next to you, and you'd never even notice. Number 8. Yeti crab, the deep sea's furry-handed creature. Discovered near hydrothermal vents, deep in the Pacific Ocean, this crab has fuzzy white hairy claws. Those hairs actually grow bacteria. And yes, the crab eats that bacteria. Imagine wearing gloves made of food. It survives in some of the harshest underwater environments, where very few creatures can even live. Nonlebe, blue dragon, the sea slug with superpowers. This tiny blue sea slug looks like a magical creature from a fantasy movie. It floats upside down on the ocean surface, collecting venom from the jellyfish it eats. Then it stores that venom to use against its own enemies. Beautiful, small, but deadly. Number 10. Naked mole rat, the immortal rodent. This odd-looking rodent is almost immune to cancer. It can survive without oxygen for up to 18 minutes. It lives underground, in colonies ruled by a queen, just like bees. And here's the shocking part. It can live up to 30 years, which is unheard of for a rodent. It's like a tiny, living science mystery. So, did you expect nature to be this weird and this wonderful? From glass-like frogs to venomous sea dragons, our planet is full of creatures you wouldn't believe exist. Comment below, which animal shocked you the most? And don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing wildlife videos.